Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the IO operation has been aborted because of either a thread exit or an application request, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. But these resolutions are not conclusive. Till date, no one has concluded that these resolutions were absolutely helpful. So the first solution is to update the device drivers. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options, then click on Optional Updates. Expand the list of updates. Check this box here and click on Download and Install. If you find nothing in that section, then it means that your system is already updated. The next solution is to disconnect the USB. How would you disconnect the USB? So simply disconnect any peripheral connected to the USB, especially printers, scanners and cameras. Why? Because they will push their own drivers, thus causing the problem. The next solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then click on restart. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.